Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm here with another series of WebRTC. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to transfer data between two peers using a WebRTC Data Channel. As you can see, I do have two emulators up and running. Let me sign in one of them with parent and the other one with child. And I wanted to send a request to child. There's a notification. I'll just accept it. And you can see the connection is established and the data is ready to be shared. So let me write hello from parent, and you will see the text will be here. Same goes for here from, and hello from child, you can see there is here. And if I just send an image to the other guy, you'll see that the image will be received right here. So the signaling server of this course is again Nodejs, because I'm too lazy to write the signaling server for Firebase. But I'll promise on the upcoming course, which will be a full video call, including audio and video call, file share, a screen share, and stuff like that. It will be hosted by Firebase. So if you have any idea to helps the course, or you need anything to learn, let me know in the comment section. And also don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So right now let's dive to the code and create our project from the scratch.